Hi, so I'm here to discuss this problem where we have to write a program to sort an array of 0, 1's and 2's in ascending order. And we have this example of array where we have three unique elements 0, 1 and 2. So we have to sort this in a ascending order. So the output will look something like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. So this should be our output. So this problem is commonly known as Dutch national flag problem, and we will solve it using the three pointers technique. So let's implement this in programming language. So the function sort array will take the array as an input, and we have here three pointer which is low, mid, high. So low will keeps the track of zeros, like where the next zero should be placed, and mid will traverse between the low and high, and it will track the ones, and the high will keep the track of the where the next two should be placed. And we have applied here while loop, so it's like mid less than equals to high, which means loop will run as long as the mid is less than equal to high. And if it's like it can't go past high, so it will be looping between the, like it will loop around the mid and high. So first condition is if array mid equals to 0. So if mid equals to 0, so let's start with here. Initially our low and mid pointer will start from here, and our high pointer will be here at the end. So in the beginning we have first index is 0. So if it's 0, if the element is 0, swap it with the low pointer. So if our mid pointer is 0, we have to swap it with the low pointer, but right now our low and mid pointer both are at the same place, so we do not have any need to swap it. So what we will do, we will increment both low and mid to our next element. So remove these from here, and both will shift to here at our index 1. So now our next value is 1. So if the element is 1, we just move the mid pointer forward. So we do not have to make any changes if mid pointer will keep track of the ones. So if it's 1, we'll leave it as it is and shift the mid to the next element. So remove the mid pointer from here. So now our mid pointer will shift to the index 2, and at index 2 we have the value 2. So if the element is 2, swap it with the high pointer. What's our high pointer? At the end we have 2, so we have to put this 2 will move from here to here. So both the values are same, so it doesn't matter, but what will change here is it will decrement the high pointer. So the high pointer will shift from here to here. So like only if it's 0 or 2 we will try to swap, otherwise if it's 1 we will just keep it as it is. So now the high pointer is here, and here we have again 2. So if it will go from here to here, and 0 will shift to here. So this will go again and again like this, and at the end when the mid will no longer is less than the equal or high, so we'll come out of the loop and we will get our sorted array in ascending order, and we'll return the output to the calling function. And this will take the order of n time complexity, so because we are going through the array only once, and where n is the length of the array, and as per the space complexity we are not using any extra space, so it uses only the constant space, so it will be order of 1 in space complexity. That's it. Thank you.